Okay, that's way too fast. Hi YouTube, another unboxing. This time it's the JJRC C8823. Comes in two flavours. You've got a tray back, a bit like the LDRC back, or it comes with a recovery back. Several different options for colours. Typical advice about not eating batteries and all that kind of stuff. So let's have a look, see what's in the box, shall we? So we get a choice of sort of like emblems for the front there. So you get your mirrors, little USB charger, couple of snorkel, that kind of thing, and then comes in. Fortunately, it's quite well packed and kept away from the outsides because the box took a bit of a battering on the way here. Remote. So you've got steering reverse, speed button, steering dual rate, steering trim. Got an A and B button on the side, which I suspect may be for the winch. It doesn't come with a winch, but I have ordered the separate winch that they sell for it. And here we go. So the bonnet, there's the battery that's under the bonnet even. It's a 370 motor, 2-speed gearbox. I can't remember about the gears and that. Looks like it comes with an actual LiPo. Lithium polymer rather than a lithium ion, which is nice. A little 2-cell there. Then you've got the recovery back. Doesn't seem to tilt, but the sides do fold down, so you can get bigger vehicles on there, I guess. I'm wondering how close this is to the Hobby Plus. I don't yet have the Hobby Plus, but give me time. Little wheel chocks. I don't know if they come out. Yeah, I think they might come out, but I don't want to force it just yet. Tyres have a reasonable bit of squish to them. They're firm, but not too firm. They seem like they're going to grip quite well, actually. Friction shocks. Looks like it's got a full light setup in there. Find some battery, shall we? Throw it away. That's right, the phone's on charge. If you're not to have them, we won't be recording. We have a very buried lead. I mean, thankfully, they actually sent this out without it being connected, because it can drain the batteries to the point that they won't recharge. Okay, found the on-off switch. Tiny little button at the back there. Don't know if you can see that. There we go. So we have hazards. And we have headlights. Brake lights. indicators, reverse. That's actually a pretty decent steering angle. Pretty fast steering servo. So we have an electronic high and low, and we have a mechanical high and low as well. That's interesting. I've only ever seen an electronic high and low and a mechanical high and low on one other vehicle, which is the last unboxing that I've done with the JJRC Mitsubishi Delica. Okay, that's way too fast. Yeah, 370 motor. I'm going to assume that it's got sort of metal gears, at least in the gearbox. Okay, so it's forward brake reverse. I'm sure there's a way of changing that somewhere along the way. Let's try not backing into the lane position. So yeah, it's quick. So yeah, I'm not sure what steering servo it's got in there, but it's got a reasonable bit of power. Right, before I start breaking other things, I reckon maybe let's get some obstacles out and get a bit closer up of it, and maybe put the accessories on. Yeah, one. What's that? Is that 112? That's going to be too big. So obviously the LDRC Range Rover is going to need recovering because, well, it's just always broke. But that's a reasonable scale for it. Well, do you know, I finally found a use for the LDRC Range Rover. It's been ornament on the back of the JJRC recovery truck. Okay, so we've got the trim on, got the badge, mirrors, snorkel and stuff. Also in the bag you get a little sticker pack, which I don't even think it really needs them, to be honest. Also in the bag you get a little assembly booklet in English and Chinese books. Tells you how to take it apart, displayed with you, part numbers, if you want to slice. That's a good thing to keep. Yeah, I suspect that button A on the remote there, I don't know if you can see it, that'll probably be the winch control. Let's open the sleep there. Let's set up a few obstacles and see how it gets on. I'll do quite well. Okay, so after a little while playing with it on the indoor obstacles, I'm going to have to get this outdoors because I think that's where it will shine. It's got good crawling capability. The low down control, the initial modulation isn't the greatest, but it's not terrible. Tyres have got plenty of grip. Quite good articulation from the sort of 6-link there, or 6-wheel drive. Yeah, it's definitely a nice little scale model for the collection. Size comparison, it's either 1/16 or 1/18 this. The LDRC Range Rover is 1/18. Toyota Land Cruiser is 1/16 from WPL. I believe the tow truck is either 1/16 or 1/12. Can't really remember now. And the LJJRC Unimog, that's 1/12, so it is a little bit bigger. Sort of height comparison with the roof there. Noticeably wider. The backs probably aren't too dissimilar length, although that one's 6-wheel drive and the other one's obviously 4-wheel drive. But yeah, what do you think? Your thoughts? Like I say, it's new on the market. I'm really impressed with it as it goes. Yeah. But the most important thing for me is I found a use for the LDRC Range Rover, and that's basically just an ornament on the back of it. So if I can get some outdoor run footage, and I will, but if not, thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, it helps the channel grow, and I always appreciate your support, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.
Oh, no, don't.